Si Best, Jen Channel. Bebs, Jen Channel, give you moderator, okay? Ayan. Hello, sis, deliciously. Ayan pa. Kuya Bea, meron ka bang upcoming premiere? Mga kapitbahay, kumusta na po ba? Okay ba ang ating magiging Christmas sa mga year na to? Deliciously, thank you Ayan. Ayan, kuya ba, kuya, by any naman, kapitbahay USA, watching your videos Ayan, watching your video po. By any naman. Ayan, very welcome kapitbahay USAs. Ayan. Ayan, mga kapitbahay, today is Sunday. So, last night, we celebrate my daughter's birthday. So, talagang gabi na kami nakatulog. Anong oras na dyan? Kuya Ber, 10:42 ng umaga. Anong oras na sa Pilipinas, kuya? Gising ka pa, kuya? O nasa trabaho ka? Leia Mix, mega shout. Enjoy eating. Ayan po. Leia Mix, thank you so much Love la kapitbahay SA. Ayan, mga kapitbahay, thank you. Okay, kuya. Kuya, ingat ka, kuya, dyan sa work. Panggabi ka pala, kuya. Ako talaga nagpapangumaga. Ako pang umaga lang talaga. Pwede naman panggabi, paminsan-minsan lang, di pwede gabi. Ayan, kapitbahay sis, please give me your, give your birthday greeting and best wishes. Thank you, deliciously. Masaya siya kagabi. Marami siyang, present. Kasi may mga friends siya nagpunte. Nagparty lang kami sa saan ba kami nagparty? Sa skating rink. Oo, nag-skating sila, ice skating. Ako hindi ako marunong mag-skating, kaya hindi ako nag-skating. Nanood lang ako sa kanila. Jamie Chong, Belated happy birthday sa daughter mo. Oo, Kuya Ber, salamat. Sila, ice skating, tapos umorder lang kami pizza, kuya. Tapos yung cake, ayan. Bumili kami ng cake, tapos she blowed. Tapos meron kaming mga drinks at saka cookies. Yun lang, kuya, simple lang ang birthday dito. Pizza at saka cookies. Di ba? Natatawa nga ako Kasi nung kumakanta kami, deliciously, it was so laugh last night because when was singing happy birthday, so we sing happy birthday, then she's turning 20. Then her dad said, "Yay! You passed your teenager pregnant." Kasi yun because that's my husband scared of him when she was teenager. Sabi, maybe Brianna got when she's teenager. So she passed it. So she's 20 now. But it doesn't mean she can because she's still in school. Deliciously. Yeah. We were so happy yesterday, and we just cheer about, "Oo, kuya. Oo, my husband after the birthday, he just said, 'Yay!' My husband said, 'Yay!'"